I mean, because why not? Hi, my name is Sarah, your everyday Southern mama trying to learn how to cook healthy and nutritious food for her family, but also very simply and very quickly. And I'm here with
Chef Olivier, and I'm here today. We're gonna do something we can use for breakfast. We can also use it for a light dinner, you know.
Okay. Or brunch.
Or brunch.
Okay.
Spanish tortilla with zucchini.
Sounds delicious. Okay, so tell me what we have
Oh,
here,
what
Chef.
we've got here. So we got obviously some zucchini.
Okay.
We got some bell pepper. We got some onion sliced. We got some potatoes that are blanched. So I just put them in cold water, make them to boil, and cook them through. You know, you just have to pick them with a knife to see if they're cooked.
Okay.
Just because we could do the tortilla with raw potatoes, but it will take way longer.
Okay.
And also to show you, if ever you do have some leftover potatoes, you did a roast, you know, and then you get some roasted potato left, or you get some boiled potato left, or whatever you got, you can simply take them.
What a great idea. I never thought about that. That's why you're here. Okay.
And obviously you get some eggs.
Eggs,
Because
okay.
the most important part of the tortilla is the eggs.
Is the
Because
egg.
all that can be replaced.
And this is just some shallots.
Yeah, you get some shallots,
Okay.
salt and pepper.
Salt and peppers. Pretty simple
Pretty
ingredients.
simple
here.
ingredients. But as I say, you can replace that. So we want to do a kind of a healthy version of it. So we use that zucchini, bell pepper, onions. Now, I'm a big meat eater. And I can make one with Italian sausage, bacon, onions,
Yum.
cheese.
Cheese.
It will work. It will work the same.
Cheese, yes.
But this one we can do with some.
We're going to do a little healthier.
Okay.
No meat, no cheese, but you add what you want to add at home that makes your heart happy, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. So
Okay.
you're gonna slice the zucchini.
Okay, this
quite,
way.
Yeah, absolutely this
Okay,
way.
perfect.
Quite thinly. I'm gonna cut the bell pepper and the potatoes.
The potatoes.
And we'll be ready to jump on the stove and to start cooking.
Okay. Okay, now I'm slicing thin.
You're slicing thin.
Okay. Is that too thick?
No, that's good.
Oh, look at that. Okay, we're learning how to slice and chop and dice.
And you're gonna do just one zucchini will be enough.
One zucchini will be
Absolutely.
enough. Okay, so this is pretty simple.
And that recipe is on the app as well.
Yes, so if you want this recipe and you want to follow it exactly, you can go to the A Better Meal app, look for Spanish Zucchini Tortilla, and this is going to pull up. It will tell you the exact measurements. Now, if you go to the app recipe, it does not include bell peppers. We're adding that today because, well, we wanted to.
We want a bit of color. We want a bit of bell pepper.
color.
You know, we like bell pepper.
But you could add, if you had yellow bell pepper in your fridge, you could add yellow, you could add green, you could add tomatoes, whatever vegetables that you want. And so go to the app, you can find this recipe. Maybe watch this video first, see how simple and delicious it is, and then go to the app and look it up.
Yeah, because that's, as you mentioned, that recipe is really versatile. We using those ingredients, I mentioned sausage, bacon, cheese, but you can put any vegetable that you want in it. You know,
Definitely.
if you want to put some corns,
Yeah.
as long as your vegetables are cooked prior. So that's what we're gonna actually do first. So when
Okay.
when we finish to slice all the vegetables, we will cook them, fry them quickly, saute them in olive oil.
Okay.
Okay.
Seems simple.
Seems simple enough. And when they're cooked, we then gonna make them in an egg mixture. So if you want actually to make the egg mixture,
Okay.
it's really easy. It's
Okay.
eggs. So you're gonna in
Just
the
cracked
bowl
eggs?
crack some eggs. Let's crack, I suppose, 8 eggs.
8 eggs. Okay. Now the key with this is just not getting the shell in there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I know. You probably don't have that problem.
You neither. I'm sure you
So
can
far,
do it.
so far.
So good.
So far, so good. Okay, so you're cutting the potatoes.
Yes.
All right, so you're just slicing them. This is called slicing, right?
This is called slicing.
Yeah. All right, and so the important part about the potatoes is just to make sure they're a little cooked before.
Yes, you want them to be, because it will take a long time for them to cook just
Yeah.
in a frying pan. So when we get all our elements ready, that means all our vegetables are sliced, our eggs is ready, then we can go and cook.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna give you a little tiny quick. I'm gonna add
right.
some salt.
Okay. So whisk them together here.
Absolutely. And a bit
Just
of,
make a nice little egg scramble. This is the kind of egg that I know how to make. The only egg I know how to make.
That's a start.
It's a start.
At least you know one.
It's better than none. Okay.
So, onions are ready, zucchini ready,
Bell pepper.
bell pepper, potatoes. Let's cook.
All right, let's cook. Okay, chef. So we have all of our ingredients.
Absolutely.
Okay, and so now you're going to teach us how to cook it.
So, first thing to do, we always have to cook all the vegetables before.
Okay,
We
always.
don't want to have something raw.
Right.
No. So, olive oil,
Okay.
Spanish tortilla, so olive oil.
Okay. What is a Spanish tortilla?
I mean, you heard about frittata?
Frittata.
Frittata, yes. So in Italy we call it frittata. In Spain they call it tortilla.
Okay.
So it's different than a Mexican tortilla, which is basically bread, which is a flat bread made from corn.
Okay.
Or flour, depending. That is not a bread. This is an egg, basically an egg mixture.
Okay, so Spanish tortilla means it's an egg base,
Yeah,
not
it's
a
egg-based.
flour
Absolutely.
or
It's really
corn.
close.
Okay.
It's really close to your frittata.
All right, so we heat up
We're
the
gonna
pan
heat
with
up,
some oil.
and we're gonna start. So you always start at the onions. The onions are the longest things to cook.
Okay,
So
the longest thing to cook.
absolutely, you always start at the longest thing to cook,
Okay,
which are the onions, because you want them to break down, to melt slowly.
okay. So all that's in there right now is olive oil, onions,
Olive oil and onions,
and we're like medium-high heat here,
Yep.
right? Okay.
and we're gonna just simply let them break down. And another thing we will take time to cook.
Oh yeah, you've got that the wrist flip. We'll work on that. We'll
So
keep
we
working on
can add now the bell pepper as well. The bell pepper will take a little bit of time to cook as well.
it. Okay.
Actually, let's put them all.
And so we chose to add bell pepper to the recipe. If you look at the app, it doesn't call for bell pepper, but it just makes eggs so good and it looks so pretty.
Oh, the color is beautiful,
Yeah.
and you
Yeah.
know, bell pepper are good. It's a good
It's
flavor.
healthy, and the more color to your food, generally, the better.
The more attractive it is, and you know,
Mm-hmm.
usually healthier as well.
Healthier, yeah.
What I will do when they're cooked, I'm actually gonna drop them in the eggs.
Okay.
The recipe,
Cooked.
yeah, absolutely. The recipe shows to add the egg to the mixture of vegetables. However, you get more risk of having the egg mixture to stick if you do that way. So the best way to do it is actually to get your
Okay, and
vegetables
to add
in.
the vegetables to the eggs.
Absolutely,
Okay.
add the vegetables to the eggs.
Okay. So this is just a chef lesson here. That's a pro tip. Pro tip that you get for watching our YouTube show. Pro tip, you add the vegetables to the eggs and not the eggs to the vegetable.
You also want to season your vegetables.
Okay.
So we season the eggs, right? But you also want to make sure that your vegetables will have a bit of seasoning.
Okay.
So,
So, little salt.
little
You could
salt.
Sea salt, regular salt, whatever you want.
Yeah,
Okay.
whatever your favorite salt is,
And then a little pepper.
just a touch.
All right. So
look
these
at our
are
vegetables.
cooking down. Yeah, they smell amazing.
Cooking down, but not totally melted.
Okay.
Totally, because you still want a bit of texture. Eggs,
A little bit of crunch.
eggs are going to get no texture. They're just eggs.
Right,
Now,
right.
if you can bring a bit of texture with your vegetables, you do that. So yes, they're cooked,
Okay.
sauteed like that, but they still hold enough texture, a bit of snap.
They're soft. So
Yeah.
they're soft, but a little. We're keeping the crunch.
Yeah, you want a bit of
Yeah.
crunch in it because you want to have. You don't want to. One of the worst things to have is when you get any food, and all the elements of the food,
Are the
even if they are
same.
different, they get the same texture.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna drop that here.
So far, this is pretty simple. We've just got onion, bell pepper, some eggs that we whisked together, sea salt, pepper. Very, very simple ingredients you probably have at home.
Same thing in the same frying pan.
Oh, and the same frying pan. I love when we only dirty up one
We're
pan.
gonna add
Some olive oil, and then we're adding the zucchini.
those zucchinis.
Man, that was just chopped to perfection there, if I do say so myself.
They are beautifully sliced.
They're beautifully sliced.
That is,
we are okay.
I'm impressed.
So are we going to cook these fully too, but still a little crispy?
Same thing.
Okay.
A bit of tenderness, a bit of crispiness to them, but you just want them to make them a bit tender. Because if you put them in your oven after, they won't have the time to cook. The eggs will be cooked before your vegetables, and you got something
okay.
raw. So you will end up with an egg and inside some salad. Okay? So we're getting up there.
Okay.
Same thing.
All right, just dump
With
them
the eggs.
into the eggs. Okay, easy.
Next,
Max. So add a little more olive oil.
Little more olive oil, and
Same pan.
Same pan, and we got to put the potatoes.
We're gonna add our potatoes. Okay. Now I don't know who doesn't love a little egg and potato action.
So you see they're cooked, so they're already blanched. They'll be very fast.
Okay, so you're just browning them. So.
Just browning them. Bring them to temperature as well, a bit hotter.
Listen to all these cooking terms.
It's always better to have the potato a bit caramelized because potato got a high content of sugar. So if you caramelize it, you get that little special flavor of caramelization, which is always nice.
Okay.
Adding that. So
all
what
right.
we want to make sure is that this is well mixed together. You have to make sure that your frying pan got a bit of olive oil. And that olive oil will have to be hot.
Okay.
So, my eggs are well mixed, and you see my frying pan there start to have a little smoke. So that my oil is nice
ready.
And hot. So
okay.
I'm going to use that, not to spread everyone. I'm going to use a ladle. And you're going to fill up.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay.
So now you're going to work it a bit like you will work an omelette by pushing the side inside.
Okay, so kind of like a scramble. So you just want it to be kind of mixed together,
Yes.
seared almost for a minute.
And now this will go into the oven.
Okay,
Because
at
we're gonna-
425.
at 425.
We're going to put it in the oven at 425.
Absolutely. We want it to be
And
cooked.
we're going to let it cook.
So we're going to go straight to the oven.
Okay.
And for about 10-15 minutes.
10-15
and then you want to
minutes.
check. So I'll
Okay.
show you to check. Just the eggs have to be cooked because the rest is already cooked.
Okay.
All right? Let's go to the oven.
Okay, so we put our Spanish zucchini tortilla in the oven. It's been in the oven for about 15 minutes,
Yes.
right, Chef? Okay.
So
And-
let's check if it's cooked.
Okay,
Okay?
you're going to tell us.
I will tell you, and I will tell
How
you
it is
how you
cooked.
know when it's cooked.
Okay,
So, that looks cooked.
that looks beautiful.
Look at how the eggs have puffed there,
Okay,
a bit firm,
there's no liquid.
and no liquid.
Okay, and you can
And
shake it. Now
you
here
can
comes
shake
the
it.
fun part.
The fun part. So you want to take a dish, put it on top of your frying pan,
And flip.
and flip
Okay.
it. So
This is
Before you
going to make
move,
you look like a professional if
you make sure
cook
that
it at
nothing
home.
attached by shaking it a bit.
Wow. Okay, perfect. Now we do have a little bit of salsa here, so you could add salsa, you could add whatever you want. So let's try a bite.
So like you will cook a cake, basically. You're gonna go and simply go like this.
Right, it smells amazing.
Cut yourself a slice. So you get all the colors,
Oh wow. All the vegetables, all the colors.
and you're going bit of salsa there.
Look how you put that on so perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna let you have this first.
Oh,
plate.
you're too nice. Oh,
Yes.
if it's me, you know what I would like to add on top of that? A little touch more olive oil.
Okay.
I just love the flavor of it. Now, the olive oil probably have lost its flavor while it was cooking, but when you get the fresh one at the end,
What a great idea. Okay.
So let me cut you one. I don't want
Okay.
you to stay like that. And you could have cut your own.
I know, but you'd make it look so much prettier. Okay. All right. We'll add a little salsa.
Absolutely.
I'm going to follow your direction here because you're the professional. So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil
Yeah,
too.
I got an issue with olive oil. I'm putting too much of it everywhere. I love it.
Okay. I'm going to do just a little bit. All right.
So it's a bit hot. Be careful not to burn your palate, but
Okay. Let's see here. The perfect bite. All the vegetables.
all the vegetable, the salsa.
Oh, wow. Okay.
This is nice.
This is fantastic. It was super simple, very quick, very easy, and guaranteed to impress anybody that is eating at your house for breakfast or brunch or even dinner. Who doesn't love breakfast for dinner? So if you want the full recipe, you can go to the Bettermill app and search Spanish Zucchini Tortilla. Feel free to add in your favorites like we did today, and let us know if you make it. Chef?
Absolutely.
Thanks for teaching us.
Customize your cooking. Remember, any recipe is menu guideline. Technique is the same. Add whatever you like in it. Always.
Have fun, and we'll
Have
see you
fun.
next time.
See you next time.